Welcome to Luxury Life. Today, we're taking you on an extraordinary journey through the top 5 largest and most modern cruise ships in the world. These floating giants are not just ships. They are cities at sea, brimming with luxury, innovation, and entertainment. From the unparalleled grandeur of Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas to the elegant sophistication of MSC Meraviglia, these ships offer an unparalleled cruising experience. Join us as we explore the breathtaking amenities, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious accommodations that make these vessels the epitome of modern cruising. Let's set sail on this magnificent voyage of discovery and indulgence. 1. Symphony of the Seas. First on our list is the Symphony of the Seas, the crown jewel of Royal Caribbean's fleet. Launched in 2018, this behemoth measures 1,188 feet in length and has a gross tonnage of 228,081. Symphony of the Seas holds the title of the world's largest cruise ship, epitomizing modern engineering and luxury. The ship features 7 distinct neighborhoods, including Central Park, an open-air garden with over 20,000 tropical plants. Guests can wander through the Royal Promenade, lined with shops, bars, and restaurants. For thrill seekers, the Ultimate Abyss, a 10-story slide, offers an exhilarating ride. The Aquatheater provides breathtaking aquatic performances that captivate audiences with synchronized swimming and high-diving acts. Dining options are a highlight on Symphony of the Seas, from the whimsical wonderland to the casual boardwalk doghouse. There's something to satisfy every palate. The Ultimate Family Suite offers a 2-level experience complete with a slide, private cinema, and a Legio wall, making it perfect for families seeking a unique luxury experience. For relaxation, Symphony of the Seas offers numerous pools, whirlpools, and the tranquil solarium. Guests can indulge in spa treatments or take yoga classes while enjoying panoramic ocean views. 2. Harmony of the Seas. Next, we have Harmony of the Seas, another masterpiece from Royal Caribbean. Launched in 2016, this ship is slightly smaller than Symphony of the Seas, measuring 1,188 feet in length with a gross tonnage of 226,963. Despite being the second largest, it matches its predecessor in terms of amenities and modernity. Harmony of the Seas features the same neighborhood concept, including the boardwalk, a vibrant area inspired by seaside piers. Guests can enjoy the classic carousel, rock-climbing walls, and the bionic bar, where robotic bartenders mix drinks. For those seeking thrills, the Perfect Storm trio of water slides and the Flowrider Surf Simulator are must-try attractions. The Rising Tide Bar, an engineering marvel that slowly ascends and descends between 3 decks, allows guests to enjoy their drinks with changing views. Dining on Harmony of the Seas is a culinary adventure. From the globally inspired dishes at Jamie's Italian to the vibrant flavors at Izumi Hibachi and Sushi, the ship offers diverse dining experiences. The suites provide luxurious accommodations with stunning ocean views, ensuring a comfortable stay for every guest. With its array of entertainment options and family-friendly amenities, Harmony of the Seas guarantees an unforgettable voyage. The ship's innovative features and exceptional service create a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. 3. Oasis of the Seas. Our journey continues with the Oasis of the Seas, a trailblazer in the cruise industry when it launched in 2009. Measuring 1,187 feet in length and with a gross tonnage of 226,838, Oasis of the Seas introduced the groundbreaking neighborhood concept, setting the benchmark for future ships. Oasis of the Seas features the iconic Central Park and boardwalk neighborhoods, blending natural beauty with entertainment. The Aquatheater offers spectacular water shows that are a favorite among guests. For relaxation, the Vitality Spa offers a range of treatments, while the solarium provides a serene, adults-only retreat. The ship also boasts a variety of entertainment venues, including Broadway-style shows, ice skating performances, and comedy clubs. Dining options are diverse and exceptional, from the sophisticated ambience of Chops Grill to the casual fare at Johnny Rockets. There is something for everyone. The loft suites provide a 2-level living space with panoramic views, perfect for guests seeking an elevated luxury experience. Oasis of the Seas continues to enchant with its innovative design and world-class facilities, making every journey memorable. This ship offers a unique mix of adventure, relaxation, and entertainment, ensuring a perfect getaway for all. 4. Allure of the Seas. Next, we have the Allure of the Seas, another iconic ship from Royal Caribbean's Oasis class. Launched in 2010, this ship is nearly identical to Oasis of the Seas, measuring 1,187 feet in length with a gross tonnage of 225,282. Allure of the Seas continues to impress with its innovative design and luxurious amenities. The ship features 7 neighborhoods, including the Royal Promenade, where guests can enjoy parades and live music, the zip line that soars 9 decks above the boardwalk, and the 2 Flowrider surf simulators provide thrilling experiences. The Aquatheater offers mesmerizing water shows that leave guests in awe. Allure of the Seas also features an impressive selection of art throughout the ship, turning hallways and public spaces into a floating gallery. Dining on Allure of the Seas is a gastronomic delight. Guests can savor fine dining at 150 Central Park, enjoy the vibrant dishes at Giovanni's Table, or indulge in the flavors of Sabor Taqueria and Tequila Bar. The Royal Loft Suite offers a spacious, 2-level sanctuary with breathtaking views, ensuring a truly luxurious stay. Allure of the Seas combines comfort, excitement, and elegance, creating a cruise experience that's second to none. 5. MSC Meraviglia. Finally, we have MSC Meraviglia, a gem in MSC Cruises' fleet. Launched in 2017, this ship measures 1,036 feet in length and has a gross tonnage of 171,598. MSC Meraviglia is a showcase of Italian elegance and modern technology, offering guests a sophisticated and luxurious cruise experience. The ship features the stunning Galleria Meraviglia, a 315-foot-long indoor promenade with a dazzling LED dome that creates a captivating atmosphere. Guests can explore a variety of shops, bars, and restaurants along the promenade. The MSC Yacht Club provides an exclusive area with private lounges, a dedicated restaurant, and a private pool. The ship also features exclusive Cirque du Soleil at sea shows, providing guests with world-class entertainment that can't be found anywhere else. Dining options are diverse and refined, from the elegant Butcher's Cut Steakhouse to the contemporary Kaido Sushi Bar. The Royal Suite offers a spacious living area, a private whirlpool, and stunning sea views, ensuring a lavish experience for all guests. MSC Meraviglia epitomizes refined luxury at sea, promising an exquisite journey for all who board. These 5 ships represent the pinnacle of modern cruising, combining cutting-edge design, luxurious amenities, and world-class entertainment. Whether you're in search of adventure, relaxation, or a blend of both, these floating palaces offer an unforgettable experience. From the thrill of the ultimate abyss on Symphony of the Seas to the elegance of MSC Meraviglia's Galleria, each ship promises a unique journey of discovery and indulgence. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the top 5 largest and most modern cruise ships in the world. For more luxurious content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Here's to your next grand adventure, and see you in our next video. Stay luxurious.